Ooh, oh, it smells so good. Mmm. 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 It melts in your mouth. It's so soft and cushiony. Mmm. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make the easiest and delicious rice bowl at home using whatever meats you have in the fridge. But today I'm gonna use rotisserie chicken from Costco. This is one of my go-to dishes that I make when I buy the Costco rotisserie chicken. But again, you could use Spam or turkey or ham, whatever cold cuts you have in the fridge to make this delicious and easy rice bowl at home. 오늘의 레시피, 아주 간단하고 맛있는 덮밥 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. The full ingredient list for today's rice bowl recipe is listed in the description box below, as well as the Korean ingredient links that you could order online. For my protein, I'm using Costco's rotisserie chicken, weighing in about 100 grams. Again, use whatever leftover cold cuts you have in the fridge or even Spam. We need a quarter of a medium-sized onion, half teaspoon of finely minced garlic, only use fresh garlic please, and some green scallions minced. This is only for garnishing later. We need 1 cup of hot water, and to this we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, half teaspoon of 소고기 Dashida. This is beef bouillon powder. You could also use yandu instead, or a quarter teaspoon of MSG salt, batsokum. Half tablespoon of Korean soy sauce, all-purpose soy sauce is fine, 양조간장, and we're gonna add our half teaspoon of minced garlic and some black pepper. Then mix everything up so all the ingredients are dissolved in our hot water. Yeah, this is gonna be our au jus for our rice bowl. That's gonna be so yummy. And we also need 2 eggs. Whisk your eggs for about good 30 seconds and have it all ready to go. Now, if you love rice bowl dishes at home, make sure to go to youtube.com/modernpepper, click on the playlist tab and select Korean bibimbap recipe playlist. And there you'll see so many dishes that you could make to make your simple bibimbap at home or rice bowl dish at home. Because for Koreans, when we say bibimbap, we literally mean whatever we have left in the fridge, we dump it all together with rice, mix it up and eat it and be happy. We need a medium-sized saute pan with a lid. Set your heat to high and preheat it for about a good minute or 2. Once your saute pan is preheated, I want you to add about less than half a tablespoon of oil, like so. Then we're gonna add our rotisserie chicken and our onions. And I'm gonna add a pinch of salt, and we're gonna quickly saute this on high heat for about a good minute. And a minute later, your chicken will start to brown a little bit as well as the onions. Then we're gonna add our liquid that we made. And with the heat remaining at high, we're just gonna let this simmer for 1 minute. Oh, look at that. This liquid au jus is gonna be so good over your rice. Ah, so yummy. It's been about a minute. So what we're gonna do is just whip up your eggs again one more time to make it nice and airy. And again, your heat is still remaining at high, and we're just gonna pour our egg on top, right here in the center, like that. Then we're gonna place our lid, and again, with your heat remaining at high, we're just gonna let this simmer away for 1 minute. All right, do you see that? It's been a minute and our eggs have fluffed up and it's like steaming away in this delicious au jus liquid. Oh, so good. All right, so we're gonna turn off our heat completely, and we're just gonna let the egg and the liquid sit with the lid on for 1 minute. So it's been a minute. Let's take a look. Ooh, look at that. The egg is so fluffy, and you see the onions. Oh, it's probably so yummy, soaking up that delicious liquid that we added. All right, so quickly pour this over a bowl of warm Korean rice. Then we're gonna garnish with some green onions on top, like so. And we're gonna take toasted seaweed, kim, and just rip it up and just add it around the bowl like that. And then a little bit of sesame seeds on top, just to make it nice and pretty. And there we have it, folks. Easy peasy rice bowl using Costco Rotisserie Chicken or whatever cold cuts you have left in your fridge. Quick and easy and delicious lunch or dinner that will make everyone happy. Yeah, save your money. Instead of getting donburi takeout, make this at home and you're going to be so impressed with yourself. You're like, oh my God, this tastes better. Ooh. So let's have a bite with our rice and our fluffy steamed eggs and chicken and onions and seaweed and everything. Ooh. Oh, it smells so good. Mmm. 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 Oh, that's so good. The rice is like perfectly seasoned from our au jus liquid that we made, and the eggs are seasoned perfectly. The chicken, everything is just so yummy. Oh, I just gulped in my mouth again. I would just even pick up the egg and the chicken and the onions and have it separately like this. Mmm. Okay, I want you guys to see how steamy and fluffy the egg is. Look at that, with our rotisserie chicken. Oh, that is something special. It melts in your mouth. It's so soft and cushiony. But you know what makes this better? Is you make a spoonful of everything and then you go in and take a small piece of kimchi, you add it to your spoon like so. It's a tip. Everything in life with kimchi is better in my opinion. I'm just saying. So good. This is my go-to meal when I want to cook something really fast for my family and everyone loves it. And you use Costco's rotisserie chicken, which is like almost free at this point. I don't understand how you could buy a whole chicken for $5 and they cook it for you and you bring it home and you can make so many dishes. And this is one of my go-to dishes that I make when I bring home my $5 rotisserie chicken from Costco. So thank you, Costco. I want to thank you for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, as always, I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on that thumbs up icon and make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so, and perhaps share today's recipe with your friends and family. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 눌러주세요. 다음 영상에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. 감사합니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of these Korean recipe videos you see right here.